Hello students, I am Shikha Parikh from Shri Vasishtha Vidyalaya. Today again I am come here for with the social studies new video of class 5. Some people never die, and today I have select the great personality Amartya Sen. Students, before going to start the video, I will give you some important information. Here is the link of our school Shri Vasishtha Vidyalaya. This is the web page of our Vasishtha Vidyalaya school, in which you will get all the information and all the study materials like videos, worksheets, ebooks and all the related information about your upcoming test as well as the result of your test. So please note down this link. Now let's start with the topic. So now let me ask you one question. Who is an economist, or whom do we call an economist? You might be thinking that why I am asking you this question. So my dear students, the person to whom we are going to talk about, Amartya Sen, is none other than but a great economist. Okay, so now it has to be understand first the role of the economist in the society. An economist is an expert who studies the relationship between a society's resources and its production or output. The economists study about how money will put to use by different people in society for various goods and services. Now, let me explain you this. So, as we know that human needs are unlimited, but to fulfill the human needs, we have the limited amount of resources. Okay, human need car also, they need shelter, food, clothes, everything we need, but the resources is limited. So government has to focus on the allocation of the resources. Another example, if I can tell you that milk. Okay, milk is the basic resource, and out of milk we can make varieties of products like milk, cheese, butter, paneer, ice cream, curd, etc. So government has to decide that which product should be made first, and which product should can be go at the second chance. So who will help the government to decide this production quantity, to decide the production output? So it is none other than but an economist. Economist always help government in the this kind of major decision. And see, the resources are limited, but there are many hands to use it. Okay, so it is the role of the economist to help the government in this kind of major decisions. Now let's start with the introduction of the Amartya Sen. Amartya Sen is a much admired, award-winning economist, writer and a philosopher. He is economist also, he is a writer also and a philosopher also. Writer means he has wrote many books. Okay, and philosopher means a person who can guide you in different kinds of field. He has tirelessly worked for the poor and solved problems of the society's poorest people. He has provided practical solutions to prevent food shortage and starvation. So, basically, he worked for the poorest people in the society. He always tried to give the as many practical solutions as possible for the problems of the poor, and he always come up with the solutions to prevent food shortage and starvation. Starvation means hunger. Okay. Now my dear students, let's learn about childhood of Amartya Sen. Amartya Sen was born in Shantiniketan, West Bengal, India, to Asutosh Sen and Amita Sen. Okay, Asutosh Sen, father of Amartya Sen, and Amita Sen, mother of Amartya Sen. And Shanti Niketan. Do you know, children? Shanti Niketan is a school established by Rabindranath Tagore. Yes. And Rabindranath Tagore gave Amartya Sen his name. Yes. Don't you feel it is interesting? Yes. Rabindranath Tagore, who wrote our national anthem, he gave Amartya Sen his name. In 1941, he was enrolled at the St. Gregory School, Dhaka, and after the partition of India, his family moved to India. In India, he attended the Vishwa Bharati University School. Now, let me give you some information regarding this particular point. Yes, so in 1941, he was in the school, which school? St. Gregory School in Dhaka. Now, dear students, Dhaka is in Bangladesh now. At present, Dhaka is in Bangladesh, but before our partition of India and Bangladesh, this both are one combined nation only. Okay, means it is a part of India only. But after the partition of 1947, this both nations got separated, and now they both are an individual country. Okay, so after this partition of 1947, his family moved to India, and in India he took the admission in Vishwa Bharati University School. Let's learn about his education. In 1953, he graduated from Presidency College, Kolkata, with a first class honors in BA Economics. Kolkata, okay. Previously, it is called Calcutta, and now the pronunciation is Kolkata. Okay. So, in 1953, he graduated from Presidency College, which is located in Kolkata, in BA in Economics. And that year, he attended Trinity College, Cambridge, where he earned another BA in 1955. So, my dear students, what is BA? Okay. So, whenever you will pass your 12th class, you will get an admission into a college. Yes. And whenever you clear your college, that is the 3 years of course in college, it is known as graduation. So, BA degree is the graduation degree. Okay, whenever you will pass your college, you will also call graduate, and it is the graduation degree. And subsequently, he earned MA degree in 1959. MA degree is nothing else but it is a post-graduation degree. After doing the graduation, you can go for the post-graduation degree. So, he earned his post-graduation degree, that is the MA degree, in 1959. The full form of BA is Bachelor in Arts, and the full form of MA is Masters in Arts. He did both in the economics subject. In 1959, he submitted his PhD thesis at Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Okay, now PhD. One more degree he has achieved. So, PhD degree is the highest degree in your career. Okay, so what is the full form of PhD? Doctorate in Philosophy. You can do PhD in any subject, in any field. Okay, so doctorate in Philosophy. So, what is the doctorate? Means, the person who achieve the doctorate degree is known as a doctor. So, do you think he achieved his PhD in medical field? No, he achieved his PhD in economics field. So, why do we call him a doctor? So, my dear students, it is not compulsory that the person who can pass with the medical field, that can only known as a doctor. But a person who can achieve PhD degree, it is also known as a doctor. We can write doctor before Amartya Sen name, or any person who achieved PhD degree, we can write doctor before the name of that particular person. I hope you can clear with this. Let's move towards the career of Amartya Sen. From 1961 to 1972, he was a professor at the Delhi School of Economics, after which he was a professor of economics at the London School of Economics. Okay, it is a picture of London School of Economics. He also taught at the University of Calcutta. Currently, he is working as a professor of economics and philosophy at Harvard University. Sen has also been a professor at the London School of Economics and the University of Oxford. Yes, my dear students, London School of Economics and the University of Oxford. This is the picture of University of Oxford. This both are very high level school of for the different kinds of field. Okay, University of Oxford. I hope you all are having the Oxford dictionary with you. Yes, so it is published by the University of Oxford only. Okay. Next, some of the great collection of books by Amartya Sen. So, Development as Freedom, The Idea of Justice, Poverty and Famines, The Argumentative Indian, On Economic Inequality, On Ethics and Economics, An Uncertain Glory, Commodities and Capabilities, Poverty and Inequality, and Inequality Re-examined. These are some of the great books of Amartya Sen. Now let's move towards the awards. He has won many awards including the Bharat Ratna, the highest civilian award in India. Okay, my dear students. Now let's learn about the Bharat Ratna award. Who can achieve this particular award? So any person who has achieved its best in the for the society's benefit. Okay, who has given it his or her services for the benefit of our Indian society, then they can be capable of getting this particular Bharat Ratna award, and Amartya Sen won this particular award. And do you know, children, this Bharat Ratna award is given by the President of India always. Remember the thing, the Bharat Ratna award is always given by the President of India only, and it is the highest civilian award in India. Next, he is the sixth Indian to receive a Nobel Prize in Economics and the first Asian to receive the Economics Prize. Okay, first person in Asia who received the Economics Prize. Okay, my dear students, you all are clear with this particular topic, Amartya Sen. So, my dear students, that is all for today. Thank you so much. I hope you will revise this topic at your home. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.